Right, this is question 13 of the analysis non-calculator. And this is the one I mistranslated. I think Daniel pointed it out, so I hope you've got the correct translation now. We're not actually finding the area between the curve and the x-axis. We're trying to find the points of intersection between the axes and the function. So the x and y intercepts, basically. So we've got this going on. We've got f of x equals e to the 3x plus 1 minus 1. Okay. And what we're trying to do then is we're trying to find where it crosses the x and the y axes. So let's start off with this then. We want, first of all, to find out where it crosses the x-axis. That's where we put the function equal to 0 and then solve it. So with quadratics, it's like x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0, and we factorise in, find the values of x and stuff. So we want to try and find out what values of x make this 0. That's the same as saying this, that we want e to the 3x plus 1 to equal 1. Here's a bit of a trick for this one here, because we know that e to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that's the same as saying we want 3x plus 1 to equal 0. And if that's the case, x, by a bit of cunning rearrangement, must equal minus a third. So when x is minus a third, then this will be 0, this will be 1, take away 1 will be 0. So we found the x-intercept. So if we're going to draw our graph, we know that this goes through the x-axis at minus a third. Right, that's the first bit, and then the second bit we say, right, we want to find out where it goes through the y-axis. Well, if it goes through the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0, so we're going to substitute 0 into it. So we're going to find f of 0, basically. F when x is 0, and that equals, so we'll sub it in, we'll do e to the 3 times 0, well 3 times 0 is 0, so it's going to be e to the 1 minus 1, and in fact e to the 1 is e, and I'd be tempted to leave it like that. It's not expecting any more than that. So I can just put a cross here, and we'll say that is going to be e minus 1. And so thinking about the shape of your exponential graphs, it's going to look a bit like that. No, this has gone a bit far down, but there's the 2 points. So you could say the coordinates of the intercepts are minus a third and 0, and the other one is, oh, this is rubbish to write and record, is 0 e minus 1, and that's it. One last thing actually, check this out. Oh, pretty butterflies. I'm loving this program, it's great. Right, hope that helps. Bye.